Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate and my name is Kalsi and today we are going to discuss about Dosti developer and Dosti has come up with one of the best project in Kandivali West and the project name is Dosti Oro 67. Nice name. So it's a four-wing tower and the project is absolutely very good. Dosti is one of the branded builder and they have completed all the project in times and all the whatever the prior combinations of the flats like 1 BHK, 1.5, 2.5 and 3 BHK. They have all the dimensions in this and project is absolutely in time. RERA is there and secondly it's a high-rise tower with lots of amenities. Podium parking is there. So very first thing we will start with the PPT to get the most out of it. Okay, let's begin with the PPT. Yeah friends, as you see this is the elevation of the building and it's around 23-story tower, ground plus 23-story tower. Below they have given shops over here and it is ground plus 23-story tower and they have around 7 level of podium parking. So podium parking is not on the front side, it's on the back side. So half the portion from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half the portion other side of the building is given podium parking and front side they have given on all the flats. So up to 7th floor you will get half the floor with the podium parking and half the flat with the residential floors. And they have combination of 1 BHK, 1.5, 2 BHK and 2.5. 1 BHK, I'll just scroll this further. So here you can see location is Oro, project name is Oro 67, opposite Rock Enclave, Bandar Pakhadi Road, Kandivali West. Plot area is less than 1 acre. It has 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK. So 1 BHK carpet area starts from 417, 430, 435, 436, 447, 450 and 456. So those who want a smaller area, they have smaller area. Those who want a bigger area in 1 BHK, so 456 is a quite bigger area. And the price starts from 88 lakhs to 96 lakhs for 1 BHK. Again, 1.5 BHK is 526 carpet. Price is 1.18 CR. 2 BHK is 585, 587, 595 and even 608. So price is 1.30 CR. It goes up to 1.36 CR. 2.5 BHK is 651, 652 and price is 148 CR. Payment wise they have construction link plan and RERA position date is 31st March 2024. These are some of the internal images of the picture. You can see on the top floor they have given gymnasium is there, children play park area, garden and walking track and everything. This is again top view from the building. It's a L-shaped building and this is inside the complex on the 7th floor. Above the parking they have made all the amenities. Here you can see the front side over here. These are all parkings over here and this portion over here is here. This is the clubhouse over here. So parking is over here. So here when you see the front side there are no flats over here. Up to here in this front side portion there will be no flat over here. Only outside portion there will be a flat. Again, this is the top view where you can see more clearly. Swimming pool is very large and even the amenities is very good. And this is again the elevation of the picture. It's on the 4 lane. I think so this road is Link Road and this is internal road The ecosystem is very good from this area because surrounding areas or buildings are there. So definitely from these buildings also you can imagine ecosystem will be very good. It's a very good settled residential area. So again here they have shown 1 BHK start from 87 lakhs, 2 BHK from 1.17, and the project name is Oro 67 Kandivali Touched. Dosti Oro 67. Here are again some of the glimpses of the elevation of the building. This is one of the fantastic elevation. Total story is 23-story, habitable floor. Again the aerial view. Now here connectivity is very good because there is already metro coming up over there. And if you want to go to the metro, if you want to travel from metro connectivity is hardly 2 minutes, 5 minutes walking distance from there. Then there are good temples and schools and colleges and everything. So ecosystem is very good. This is the plan where you see this Oro 67 is over here. And this is Malad, this is Goregaon, this is Kandivali, this is Oro is over here, this side. You don't have to cross the sea over here. This is a creek over here, Mumbai Creek. But you don't have to cross this because the moment you cross the creek, you go to Essel World and Purai. But it's exactly before that. And this is the link road where metro line is going. So hardly walking distance from here. It's a 5 minutes walking distance from here. So closer to airport, closer to school, college, and express highways, and space and domestic Andheri space, commercial area, domestic airport, and Thane BKC, Bandra Worli, Chile, Dadar, Fort, Nariman Point. So this place is exactly in the center of Mumbai, you can see. Again, colleges, hospital, workshop, restaurant, entertainment, malls and markets are very close by from there. So this is the building over here, and from here you can see all this ecosystem surrounded by over here. So it's a very developed area. Again, the aerial view from the flat. This is again the aerial view. It's taken from the drone. Fantastic top elevation. This is again picture of the clubhouse. And again the clubhouse picture. Swimming pool, they have made it in center. So here you can see privacy is there. I mean from the lower floor people can't see inside the swimming pool. There is some sort of privacy is there over here. Only when the higher floor flats are there. So, but there is a distance. There is a quite distance over here. So it's on the height. It's surrounded by the glass, and there's a privacy for swimming pool. Meditation room, gymnasium, banquet hall. Again, top elevation. You can see there are 4 wings: A, B, C, and D. L-shaped building. Elevation is very good. Fantastic elevation. This is image of the sample flat, and here you can see that they are giving quite branded fittings inside the flat. So they have petrified flooring, and kitchen is well made. Electricity, they have all branded fittings, doors, windows, sanitary, painting, everything. They have all branded fittings inside the complex. This is the layout of the plot. So this is how the structure is. A, B, C, and D. L-shaped building, and this portion is on 7th floor. Below this is all parking. Again, this is image of the floor plan, but it's too small to see on the screen. But still, I'll show you some big images here. You can see over here 1 BHK. This is the carpet area for 450 square feet 1 BHK, and this carpet is for 436. If you see this flat, it's a hall, and this is kitchen, and there's one washroom over here, and then this is one attached washroom to the bedroom. The planning for 1 BHK is very good. Then you see this plan for 2 BHK. For smaller 2 BHK, they have a study room over here, long hall with living room and dining space, and again one washroom over here, kitchen, and the second washroom is over here. First washroom it's a very big washroom. Same thing over here. So this is again 607 square feet and 587. So in 607 you have a proper 2 BHK flat where you have one bedroom over here, then there's a hall, then there's a kitchen, and then proper again one bedroom over here. So this bedroom is attached, and this is common washroom over here, and again a lengthwise long hall and a bedroom. In 607 you get a proper 2 BHK. Again 652 is 2.5 BHK. So this is half BHK, all kitchen, one bedroom over here, and one bedroom over here. So these are some of the glimpses of the flat. You have solar, then rainwater harvesting, sewage treatment plant, organic waste composer, electric car charger. Nowadays electric car is becoming popular, so another 2-3 years everybody will be having electric cars, so they have kept a special station for electric charger. And then there is the energy efficient lights in common areas. So this is again, it will be working I think so on solar. So electricity and power backup is there, and water efficient fixture to reduce water consumed ion. So all these special features are there in the project. These are some of the projects which Dosti has already completed, and which are ongoing. Some are ongoing, some are already completed. And it's in all over Mumbai. Some are in Badala, some are in Severi, and some are in Sain, Hana. So all these areas. This is again the you can see the elevation of the, what you can see, the layout plan of the Kandivali area, Kandivali West area, layout plan. So friend, this is how the elevation of the building, and that's all for today. If you have any inquiry, you can call me on my number. I'll just share my number after this video. Thank you for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe, because the thing is, when you like and you subscribe, we get motivated, and I especially get more motivated for getting more these type of videos to you. Thank you very much for listening to this. I'll be coming back soon. Thank you.